Hello friends. Today, we are showcasing the amazing things that you can do with our GS2Web table. A table can have many kinds of data and not just a number or a text. For example, a cell may contain hyperlinks. So, we have now optimized the hyperlinks in manner that user of table will get more out of mere data in a table. Now when you put a hyperlink in a cell, user will get a show small pop-ups on hover, with the contents of the URL in hyperlink. Like this. And, in many cases, hyperlinked content will open in a new modal pop-up. For example, a YouTube video. User can watch the video without going out of the table page. Similarly, a Soundcloud file will run on the pop-up or a presentation can be watched in a modal window. Let us say, you want to do some survey on the listed items of table. You will be happy to note that you can add hyperlinks for your forms built on Jotform or Typeform. The form will open in the modal box. So, user can fill the form or participate in survey without leaving the page. Hope you found the GS2 web table useful.